One thing that's clear with life is that there's levels. And this 30 million Upper East Side mansion is on another level. Let's check it out.
That's when you're greeted by a private elevator foyer that sets the tone for what lies ahead. A dramatic 700 square foot corner great room that immediately commands attention. Newly staged and exceptionally refined, hand-selected cream of marble floors that bring timeless elegance into every corner. The formal dining area effortlessly holds 10 to 12 guests, an ideal setting for both intimate dinners and lavish gatherings. Just off the great room, a versatile dinner waits. Currently styled as an extension for the entertaining space, it could also transform into a private formal dining room or any space your lifestyle demands. Now let's make our way to Suite 4, where the powder room greets you first. Outfitted with a sleek vanity, statement mirror, and refined fixtures, it offers a polished experience for guests of everyday use. The bedroom itself has been staged as a sophisticated home office, blending function and serenity in one seamless space. From here, we move into the heart of the home, the eat-in kitchen. Designed by Maroni, a true showpiece. It pairs mother of lacquer cabinetry with rich Frappuccino marble countertops. You have top-of-the-line appliances from Sub-Zero, Miele, Blue Star, and Wolf, making this a chef's dream and an entertainer's delight. At the center, you have a spacious island that anchors the space, ideal for casual breakfast, evening wine tastings, or simply gathering with friends. Every detail has been thoughtfully curated, from the integrated storage solutions to the custom lighting that elevates the ambiance day and night. Circling back through the great room, we transition to the primary suite, an oasis of calm and bespoke comfort. We begin in the spa-inspired bathroom, where sculptural freestanding tubs take center stage. The primary bedroom stretches 20 by 19 feet with a peaceful sitting area and white old herringbone floors throughout. Finally, the suite flows seamlessly into a lavish dressing room, beautifully crafted with floor-to-ceiling storage, mirrored finishes, and quiet sophistication at every turn, offering the elegance and scale of a private boutique. Now, let's make our way upstairs. This home spans 7 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, 2 powder rooms, with 3 rooms upstairs that offer great proportions rarely found in New York City. As we get upstairs, we're going to be greeted by an elegant powder room, refined and perfectly placed for guests. Just beyond that, we enter Suite 6. Let's begin with the in-suite bathroom, where clean lines, sophisticated tile work, and a floating vanity creates a sleek modern retreat. The bedroom itself is spacious and inviting, thoughtfully designed for comfort and versatility. Now we have Suite 5, complete with its own appointed in-suite bath. You have a walk-in glass shower that takes center stage, surrounded by sleek tile and top-tier hardware. The room's proportion and natural light make it a seamless fit for a variety of uses, from a guest room to a reading nook. The large windows bring in soft natural light, enhancing its warm, inviting feel. But let's continue the tour. We're gonna make our way to the opposite side of the upper level. On this side of the home, you're gonna find a private elevator access, an added touch of luxury and convenience that speaks to the home's thoughtful design. Now, on to Suite 7. This suite includes a spacious walk-in closet, perfect for both convenience and organization, along with its own luxurious in-suite bath. This in-suite bath echoes the elegant finishes found throughout the home. And my favorite part about this suite, you have direct access to the crown jewel of this level, the private terrace. The private terrace spans an impressive 1,800 square feet. This wraparound outdoor space is a true urban oasis. Whether you're hosting a sunset dinner, lounging under the skyline, or just soaking in the views, the terrace offers a rare blend of space, privacy, and panoramic beauty, all in the heart of the city. Back inside, we're gonna step into the upstairs kitchenette and bar, a sleek and functional space designed for both convenience and entertaining, outfitted with a built-in wine fridge. Adjacent to it, you have this lounge that offers a cozy yet elevated space to unwind, complete with its own access to the terrace for seamless indoor-outdoor living. And with that, I think I've shown you everything. And this one was truly special. Let's recap. We have 7 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, 2 powder rooms, listed at $28.5 million right here in Lenox Hill. You never know what you'll find inside a New York City building, and that's exactly why I love New York City real estate. Let me know what stood out and what your favorite part was, and I'll see you on the next one.